Well, we're back from Chiang Mai. We were gone 3 days. And while I was gone, the workers had put quite an effort in. Some good surprises and, some good progress. They'll be back again tomorrow. So I'll show you what they've done. Stairs are complete. Mind you, I need them to add a railing here. At some point, I'll point that out to them. So, roof is complete. Roof over the staircase is complete. And roof over the top of the staircase here is complete. Now it all has to be covered in wood paneling. But come to the top. Here will be the door. Step in to my left. There will be 5, maybe 6 doors. I'm not sure how big that door will be, but it'll be 2 doors and 2 doors open up. And on this side here, there'll be two doors. We're talking windows. Window doors will open up. It'll open that all up. Here's what they did. They added the paneling all inside the balcony. It's just amazing. There'll be a top plate. Again, this will be all solid, but here we'll have four window doors, and of course here we have a big double door, so we open it up so it opens it up quite wide. So the plan, of course, is when everything is finished, we can open up all these doors and windows, and it'll open up the room quite nicely. That's the plan. Again, so they need to do the wood on the ceiling. I'm sure they're going to get at that tomorrow. I step outside. They've already got the wood on the outside here around the frame. I told them I needed at least 27 inches from the wall to there because there will be a sink and a fridge going along here. It'd be quite easy to hook up because there's the drain, there's the water. So that's pretty much a no-brainer for hooking that up. So yeah, all in all, I'm pretty happy with what they've done while we were away. I didn't expect this paneling to be done quite like this, and I'm quite pleasantly surprised. And of course, they're going to have to continue over there. Now there is a question of do they have enough paneling? It wouldn't surprise me that we'll have to purchase some more paneling. And we'll see how that works out. But I think there was 2 or 3 guys there today, and there'll be probably 2 or 3 guys here tomorrow. We're moving right along. Good morning. Just a little daily update on where we stand with our renovation. As you can see, most of the trim inside is done, and they've been working on the trim outside. To make it look like the rest of the house. So that'll be all filled in, all the end, and all up there. Today, we'll receive another 150 full lengths of this paneling so they can begin doing the ceiling at a cost of 14,600 baht. So the wood has exceeded 30,000 baht, and we still have the doors and the windows to come. The windows are also raised panel doors, just like these doors here. And they're 26,400 for those. Very good price. Very good price for everything. Labor is still the cheapest. You can see where You know, they finished the sill. They still have to cover any remaining steel. Yeah, the price is starting to creep up. There's still, like I say, all the sealing to do, all the sealing out there to make it look finished. So we'll see where we'll see where the labor ends up, but hopefully, with the doors and the windows, you know, the material will come to a conclusion, and it'd be just the labor to finish the job. Oh, and of course we need to bring in an electrician to add lights and add a plug, and of course I have to do the coffee station to you know, so all that has to be done too. So yep, there's still a fair amount left to do. I'll keep you posted. Good morning, it's Saturday. Just a little update. Before we do, I want to show you the mountains. Beautiful morning. It rained a fair amount late last night, and we'll see what happens today. I'll show you what they've done. We've received another 150 pieces of paneling at 14,400 baht. They have essentially completed the interior wall. Still have to cover the beam. So, you know, they'll be ready to start doing the ceiling. But what they've also completed yesterday was this exterior wall. Talk about turn a balcony into a structure that doesn't look like a balcony. So they had a pretty productive day yesterday. You can see where they've finished along there too. They've got the scaffolding set up, and they're going to start doing the ceiling all out here. So that'll all be done. There'll be a fascia when it's all done. All this will be wood in the coming days. Stay tuned. Good morning. They were quite busy yesterday. What they were doing is adding all the supports to put all the ceiling panels on. So you can see I was curious at how they were going to attach it to the metal. So, you know, they've added a 2x4 to each metal rafter, and then they had another 2x4 in the middle. So this is all done, and this is all prepared and ready for paneling. And they've also done all this out here. So I guess by the end of today, this will all be ready for it'll all be paneled. Yep, they got the fascia on there. Okay. Rainy day. The workers have been working inside. They've put in all the trim. They're doing the outside. All the outside is now almost done. The ceilings are done. They just have to finish over there and the trim, and then install the doors and windows and clean up. So we're getting very close to being finished and do a final review.